Do you want to know how to make this oblique span coin purse? Come with me and I'll teach you right away. Today, let's learn how to diagonally straddle a change purse. We are remodeling today with old pants that we don't wear. This is the drawing I cut ahead of time. The length is 23 and the height is 16 centimeters. For corners, form arcs. Cut it out according to the pattern. Cut out 2 pieces of washcloth of the same size. Then cut 2 more ratio parts in one circle. Axe cotton 1 centimeter smaller. Iron them on the reverse side. Prepare another bottom bracket 43 centimeters long and 10 centimeters wide. Also cut an axe cotton zipper cloth. Length 28, width 5 cm. 2 inner parts of the same size are cut out according to the table. After cutting the number, we draw a line on the washcloth. Then follow the line we drew to get out of the rhombus. Draw like this again. After both are drawn. So according to the line we drew. After both car numbers. Next, let's put on the zipper. The zipper front is against the front of the watch. The inside front is attached to the reverse side of the zipper. This is a direct car. Same as him here. Poke another bright line on this one. After the zipper is numbered, we will install the zipper head. Take out our washcloth after packing. Put a decorative sticker on this. Next step, we place the zipper face to face with the bottom bracket. Put on the lid. Put it together. The same 3 layers are put together here. Put a bag bait on it before the zipper. Take a look at the thickness. This place has zippers and bag bait. After more than 10 layers, the zipper can be easily passed. After both sides are withdrawn, we fasten the watch and the inside together. Sit on the upper and lower sides and tie them in the center. The watch part is also fixed together. Fold in half to the center point and sit on the mark. Then turn it over to the reverse side. The center points of the watch in the bottom bracket are aligned with the center point. Exactly like this. A week in the car. This side does the same thing as him. After the car number on both sides, trim it on the bag. Or use the curve agent on our machine. Perform hemming. He doesn't know the rough edges either. Adjust it to the curve line agent according to 1.5. First, trim the rough edges before the car. Take a look at the edge we locked out with curve line agent. The thread agent is very neat. So our bags are ready. The inner space inside is still quite large. It is very convenient to install mobile phone key change when you go out. I share my sewing tips every day. If you like my videos, could you please support a little red heart in a comment?